Then, so this we have pamuklo.
Welcome to Fil-Turk Vlog, a Philippine-Turkish family where I share family vlogs, lifestyle, Turkish culture, travel and foods, your guide for Turkish visa. Through our vlog, we may bring happiness, lessons, and inspire you. It's free to subscribe!
So, hello guys! Ayan, so ito na yung bagong washing machine namin. This is our new washing machine. Altus 10 kilo. And then, ito yung ano niya. So, Alten 123D. And, so, i-share ko sa inyo guys ang kanyang program. So, this is the program. Then, so this we have pamuklo, which is, if you put it in the 40 degrees, so this is the time, 2 hours and 13 minutes if the heat of the water is 40 degrees, and then you can adjust in here, this part, up and down, 20 degrees, 30 degrees, 90 degrees, 60, 40, 30, and 20. So this is the degrees of the water, and this is the spinning fast of the spinning. Ayan, so 120, 1,000, 800, and 600. And of course this one is, I don't know. This one is like a time. You can change the time, and then here on Yikama and extra easily. And then this one is laviso, more in water, I think. And here, kapak is close, and Yikama, sigma, biti, iptal. Biti means finish, and iptal is finished. And krishik only miss. So I think this is, they said it will not be wrinkle or tighten. And then if you want to turn it on, then this one, you press this one, it means turn it on. So we have here echo is 2 hours and 47 minutes. You can also add the degrees. This echo is only 60 degrees to 40 degrees. You cannot make it 30 or 20, but it's hot. And synthetic is 2 hours and 1 minute. You can change also the level of the degrees of the water. And next is mini is 28 minutes. So this is the lowest time of washing if you want only fast. So next is karma is, ayan, so karma is 40 degrees, 2 hours and 2 minutes. And Yonlo is 40 degrees. You can change here, I think can change. If you change the in Yonlo, you can change the degrees of the water. If it is 40 degrees, it's 1 hour, and 30 degrees is 55 minutes. And the next is Narin. Narin is 1 hour and 19 minutes. And if you put in the 30 degrees, it's still same. But if you put it in 40 degrees, if you put it in the, oh my god, 80, this one is 59 minutes. 40 degrees is 1 hour and 19 minutes. Next is Pumpa and Sigma. Sigma plus Pumpa. So Sigma means what you call this, like drying, 12 minutes. And next is this one. They have Dorulama means rinsing or rinse, and 18 minutes. And wrinkler, Kuyo wrinkler, it means dark color. Dark color is 2 hours and 29 minutes if it is 40 degrees. And 30 degrees are same. And next is perde. Perde means curtain. In English, curtain. So 2 hours and 5 minutes. So how about 30 degrees? It's same time. And like, I don't know what is in English. Like is 2 hours and 54 minutes if it is 60 degrees water, and 40 degrees water is same, and 30 degrees water are also same. And Heian, what is Heian? I don't know what is Heian in English too. 3 hours and 44 minutes. 60 degrees. How about 40 degrees? It's same time. Oh, 90 degrees. Oh, so there is no 30 degrees here. Only until 90 degrees to 40 degrees. And next is yorgan. Yorgan. Yorgan means like a thick blanket. This one is yorgan. Yes, for winter blanket. So yorgan is 1 hour and 51 minutes for 40 degrees, and 60 degrees is 2 hours and 1 minute. Oh, okay. The program is only 60 degrees to 40 degrees. So, next is gomlek. Gomlek is if 60 degrees temperature of the water is 2 hours and 16 minutes. Sorry. Why did I put in here? Okay. And temperature of the water is 40 degrees, 2 hours and 16 minutes. Oh, also 60 degrees to 40 degrees. Only the choices of the water temperature. And the next is achma or kapatma. It means this is turn it off. It means no program at all. So I hope you can learn about this. And also here, I'll show you inside of this machine. This one, Yuxic performance. It means high performance. Altus. Dushok to kitim. I don't know. I don't understand at all. Sorry guys, I'm not Turkish. And inverter motor technology. And uzun urumlu energy tazarruflu ve siziz motor. So, and guys, to all Turkish, you can understand this well. 10 kilo, it's really nice if you buy 10 kilo. Our previous machine is 5 kilo. Only 5 kilos, so it's in 11 years of service, and the motor is okay, but the spinning is dead. Cannot spin anymore. It's Beko brand before, so our old machine is Beko brand. So you can see here inside, I will tour you inside of this machine. So they have this one. Look what a nice. And inside, look at that. See? This is what is inside. Okay. Okay, then close. And now we are here at the for putting the soap. So this one, it's nice. It's a little bit like smaller than our previous one, but it's still good. We have also a measuring here, 100 ml, 50 ml. Then this one, okay, we can take this off by pressing this one like that, and you can see it's inside. Oh, wow. You know guys, water here in Turkey is very bad. So they install a filter first. We have an old filter with our old washing machine, and then when they installed this, because this is new, they installed also a filter at the back of our washing machine where the waters go out, so the machine will not easily get broken, because the water here is really bad. It's like You can make it makes stones or very thick something, so it must have a filter, water filter. So this is it for today, guys, and thank you so much for watching. And Altus 10123D. See you in my next vlog. Bye.